Hi children, hope you all are doing good. Have you all written homework yesterday? I have given you small copy. Yes, you have to write it neatly. You have to write with pencil, you have to write neatly. And have you all practiced the question and answer? First question and answer I have given in the classwork yesterday. Along with spelling you have to practice it. Okay? Along with spellings you have to read and practice it. Now, yesterday we have completed one question and answer, and after that I have told you to practice and I have told you to post to your concerned class teacher. Have you all done it? Yes, you are good children, you will do it, I know. Now, after writing the first question and answer, I have told you to leave one line, no? Yes or no? Before we start writing our classwork, we will first what we will do? First what we have to do? First we have to note down our homework. Very good. So please take your English small copy book and note down date 21/9. Yesterday we have completed up to which letter? W. Next today X, Y, Z, only 3 letters, small x, small y, small z. Note down it in your small copywriting book. You have 2 4-line books, one for classwork and one for homework, means small copywriting book. After that, please open your, what you have to open? English classwork. Very good. You have to open your English classwork. Yesterday we have completed first question and answer. After that we have left one line, no? So in same page you have to write. You have to continue in the same page. Listen my dear children. First question you have written and along with that question you have written answer. After that I have told you to leave one line. Below this line you have to continue the second question. Understood my dear children? Yes, you have to write neatly. Look at the board and write down in your classwork. Today we are going to write second question and answer. Shall we start? Are you ready? Yes. W, H, O. Who? W, H, O. Who? See, capital letter W you have to write in 3 lines, first 3 lines, and small h you have to write in first 3 lines, and O, small o, middle 2 line. After that what we have to do? We have to continue writing, no? No, what you have to do? You have to leave finger space. Yes or no? Yes. Who? After give 1 finger gap or 2 finger gap. Is. I-S, is. W-H-O, who. Then give space, 2 finger gap or 1 finger gap. Then write down next. I-S, is. After that, again finger gap, and what is that word? I will write that word. You read and tell me. R-A-J-A. Raja. Question mark. Who is Raja? Who is Raja? In the lesson, what we have learned about Raja? Who is Raja? Raja is my friend, no? No. Then your friend? No. Then who is he? My brother? No. Then your brother? Then who is he? Yes, he is brother of Rani. He is brother of Rani. Who is Raja? Raja is brother of Rani. Next line, answer. R A J A Raja. R capital, you have to write capital letter R, next small letter A, small j, next small a. Raja, give finger space. Next is is RANI apostrophe S, Ranis. Ranis means particular person, apostrophe S. Ranis brother, 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 full stop. Look at the board all of you. RAJA Raja, give finger space, IS is, next space, RANI apostrophe S, Ranis brother, BROTHER. Listen my dear children, see, suppose up to Ranis you have written in your book. After that, if you have no place to write, then you can continue writing in next line. Okay? Don't write consecutively. RAJA Raja, finger space, IS is, again space, RANI apostrophe S, Ranis, BROTHER, brother. After writing this answer, leave one line. Leave one line. In first lesson, all about Rani, what we have discussed about Raja. Raja, he is brother of Rani, and Rani loves her brother very much. She used to play always with her brother. Who is Raja? Raja is Rani's brother. Yes or no? Yes. Once again, all of you look at the board. Second question. WHO who IS is RAJA Raja. Who is Raja? Question mark. Answer. RAJA Raja. IS is RANI apostrophe S, Ranis, BROTHER, brother. Okay my dear children, question one time, answer two times. While writing you have to read spelling also. Along with spelling you have to read and practice. And all of you note down diary work. First note down date 21/9/2020. First Telugu, second Hindi, third column English. Read and practice second question answer for 2 times. Question 1 time, answer 2 times. That's all for today. Thank you.